Welcome to Pente Spotlight, where we break down the biggest tech news in a way that actually makes sense. Today, China just revealed a massive 5-year AI plan, and it's not just about innovation, it's about dominance. I'm Emily, your This Feels Like a Strategy Game person.
And I'm Lucas, tech enthusiast and the guy who hears National AI Plan and thinks, yep, the future is here.
So here's the deal. China wants to expand AI across its entire economy over the next 5 years. Manufacturing, healthcare, transport, even government services.
Basically, AI everywhere. Not just apps, but built into how the country actually runs.
Exactly. The goal? Make AI a core driver of economic growth. Smarter factories, automated logistics, faster healthcare, all at massive scale.
That's like turning the whole country into one giant smart system.
Yes, but it's also about global competition. China wants to lead AI worldwide, setting standards and controlling the ecosystem.
So not just using AI, but owning the rules.
Right, and this isn't small scale, it's a coordinated nationwide rollout.
That's the difference. Experimenting with AI versus committing your entire economy to it.
Exactly. And with that comes risks, privacy, oversight, job impact, but now at a national level.
So bigger opportunity, bigger risk.
That's the balance. And the world is watching because this will shape how AI develops globally.
So whether you like it or not, this affects everyone.
Yeah, that's all for today's Pente Spotlight. The future of AI isn't just technology, it's strategy.
Like, share, and subscribe. And stay curious. The AI race isn't coming. It's already here. See you on the next Spotlight.